Hello, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm showing how to make your own merch. And you see I already made this merch. Don't buy this merch because, it's you don't buy it because I made this, because I bought this shirt. It's my friend, my name's Michael. Don't make fun of his name, but his name's Lynx, like the animal, but just don't make fun of him. And guys, some of my merches will be limited edition, like this limited edition, but don't buy it. Only if your name's... Buy it if your name's Michael and you have a friend that's Lynx. Yeah, buy that, but, So I'm going to be showing you how to make your own merch. So basically, you're just going to go up on the Google tab and type teespring.com. Type in teespring.com, and then this will pop up. So let me just back up 1 sec. Oh my gosh, you know what? I'm just gonna type it in again. Alright, so this screen should pop up, and it'll say sign up right here, I think. Then once you make an account, you're gonna have this, and then you're gonna have it on top right. And by the way, guys, that's my email, but you don't know my password. So, but yeah. Guys, they're up here. I'm gonna say start designing. Press that. Now, let this just load up. Now you have a bunch of different stuff, but today we're gonna be making merch. So you're gonna go down to the best sellers, and you're gonna press this. And now, guys, this merch that it's about to make is going to be like my actual merch. So yeah. Alright. So first you're just going to have a white shirt. Right here is going to be what color you want your shirt to be. Right here you can hold that, and then you have a bunch of other different colors, but And guys, right here on the top, you can have basic tees or hoodies, tank tops. Oh yeah, you're gonna have tank tops. You can have kids and babies. What? Oh yeah, you can have kids shirt, baby shirt, premium tees, that one, and yeah. But the hoodies, they're more money. They're like you see right here. It says base cost with your current price, and you get a discount on it because you made it. But right now that's the discount. But if someone else gonna buy it, it's gonna be like $31 plus tax. So I would do basic tees. But if you want, if you want to be more fancy, do a hoodie. And yeah. And basic tees, it's $21 and plus tax. It's like $28. So yeah, I think that's a little better. But yeah, guys, my shirts are like red, so I already told you this side right here. Now I have to show you this side. So here you're gonna have where you can put your text, all of that, and then here you can pick a font. I usually like this one, and right here you can pick the color that you want your letters to be. So if you want your letters red. I just typed okay. If you want your letters red, your letters will be red. But I like my letters black because, But yeah, so that's gonna be my merch. It's gonna be, and guys, I'm gonna be changing my YouTube name. So right now I'm gonna be changing my YouTube name, Mike the Savage, out of here. Now it's gonna be, what do you call it? It's me, Michael. Yeah, that's what it's gonna be. It's me, Michael. So it's good. Yeah, guys, and if you didn't know, my name's Michael. It's me, Michael. Alright. So yeah, guys, and I wouldn't put marks exclamation point, that, and or star. I wouldn't do that because it makes the shirt why would you wear it with exclamation marks? Yeah, so I wouldn't do that. right here you can make the words bigger, but make sure to not. But it sucks that you like can't put like the words down here. You can't put the words like what I would say like on the side like up here. You have to keep it inside the box. So that's what I don't like about it, but you know, it's cool. So you can make it bigger. You wouldn't want to make it as big, and you know. And right here you can make it like, but I wouldn't do that. So it was like this. No. There you go. So, yep, that's it. And then you can have art, and you can upload your own art, where you can go on your files and find the art that you want, but I'm not going to do that. So then you're going to have browse art where, you know, you can put emojis, and you know, you can have like the cool emoji. You can have all these emojis. Here, how about if I type in YouTube? YouTube. There you go. And search it up. Oh. See, guys, you can just search it up here. And then, you know, all that stuff. I feel like this is the best one. Yeah, there you go. So I just upload my own merch. Not upload it right now, but yeah. So right, and guys, what you can do, I think you can make like a website and sell your merch on it from Teespring, but I don't think you can do that. Maybe, I haven't tried it, but yeah, you can add something to the back, but I'm not gonna do that. You can do the same thing to the back, you know, and then once you're done, you're gonna, you can buy it. I wouldn't buy it. You should, if you want to post it first and then buy it. So if you want to post it up on the web, press sell this. Then when it's posted up to the web, you can, buy it. And if you press buy it, then it won't post up. You'll just buy it, you know. Alright, so right here, you know, you see, this is going to be $20.99 and $11, and it used to be $10, but it's $11 for the private style. So it's like $11 for like all these words and ink, you know, all that stuff. You can add a style. I wouldn't add a style. You can add a sticker. Like you would want to have my stickers, you know, because if you press sticker, it'll be like this. Well, you know, it's okay, I guess. I'll just keep it, I guess. Yeah, it says $6, but yeah, just press next. Okay, now you have this. Now, you have to name it. You have to name it, to post it. All right, so I'm just gonna put me. It's Michael. It's Michael. Merch. You know, I forgot to do space. Michael merch. Yeah, I'm just gonna name it that. Wait, did I spell it wrong? No, I didn't. Alright. Oh yeah, I did, okay. So I'm gonna add a description. You can add a description. I'm gonna say oops. Wait, it's like I spelled. They spelled. Yeah, have fun. Have fun. Having my merch. Okay. Right, so then always available. Alright, so you can put it for 20. So mine, it's gonna be up to like, I don't know, Eastern. Oh, I'm Central Time, so Eastern, alright. But alright, so it'll always batches of printers. Yeah, I'm gonna put it up for 4 days, guys. I'm gonna put for 4 days, and you have to get it right away if you want. Me, it's Michael Merch, Teespring, or wait, yeah, teespring.com. It's Michael Merch. All right, so you can put, or it like shows off the back, but I don't want that to do that. And then after that, you have to do a test to make sure you're not a robot. So I'm just gonna do this test right here. Is that it? No. What the heck? Wait, do I have to take the picture of like all the... What the... Boy. Yeah, forget that. Am I good now? Thank you. Okay, now it's saving. Now just press launch and it'll save your design. Might take a little bit. There you go. Okay, guys, it is up. Deliver Valentine's Day with the super shipping. Alright, guys, it's up. It's up. And that's how you make your own merch. Have a nice day and peace out.